Eagle pose or Garudasana in Sanskrit is a standing balancing posture that requires focus over flexibility. Balancing on one foot, the opposite foot wraps behind the calf. The arms are also intertwined with the palms touching. Inhale from Tadasana. Exhale, hands at the hips, bend your knees, hip pushes back. Inhale, raise the right leg up, cross over. Wrap the foot behind the standing leg calf. The standing knee is visible. Once you find a balance, inhale, raise the arms at your level. Exhale, left cross over and intertwine the arms. Bring your palms together with the fingers reaching to the ceiling. The elbows should be level with the shoulders. Breathe while balancing in the pose. Keep pressing the big toe of the standing foot into the mat and the other toes are also spread out. Send this energy from the base of your standing foot all the way towards your thighs and the hips. Don't go too low if the hips are not level. The spine remains upright and the abdominals are contracted strongly. The forearms remain in front of the face. To intensify this posture, hugging the legs tightly towards each other and send the hip more back while maintaining the spine upright. To release the posture, exhale, hands at the hips. Inhale, press up to standing. Exhale, hands at the side, back to Tadasana. Repeat the same for other side. Inhale, hands at the hips. Exhale, hips lower down. Inhale, left cross over. Bind the standing leg with the foot. Inner arms up. Right cross over. And intertwine the arms. Breathe comfortable in this position. Release, exhale, hands at the hips. Inhale, press up to standing. Exhale, Tadasana.